Okay, good morning my dear students. So today we will start exercise 39, that is related to fraction. Okay, what is the first question? Take the figures which are divided into equal parts. आपको उस फिगर के सामने टिक करना है जो इक्वल पार्ट्स में डिवाइडेड है. You can see here these are divided into equal parts. No, this is not divided in equal parts. This is divided into equal parts. Okay, so you have to pick here. Okay, and this is divided into equal parts. No, this is not divided into equal parts because this is smaller and this is greater. This line is long and this is smaller. Here all the lines are equal. Four sides are equal. That's why this is divided into equal parts. Okay, and this is not divided into equal parts. So like this you have to solve first question. This is, dear students, exercise 39. You have to do in book. You have to solve in book. Okay, question number 2. Like this you can do question number 1. Question number 2. Question number 2 is this: shade with a pencil. Shade with a pencil. One half or 1/2 of each of the following. Okay, so the first figure is this. And next question is this, like this. So dear students, 1/2 means out of 2 parts you have to shade 1 part. Okay, you can say आपको इस फिगर का आधा भाग कलर कर देना है. Okay, 1/2 means half, or you can say 1/2. What the denominator is 2 and the numerator is 1. It means 1/2 means out of 2 parts you have to color 1 part. Okay, so there are 2 parts. So you have to shade with the pencil 1 part of this figure. Okay, and you have to write here 1/2. Okay, here half part we will also. So 1/2 means out of 2 parts you have to shade 1 part. Okay, 1/2. So like this you can do question number 2. Now I am going to tell you question number 3. The question number 3 is 1/3. 1/3 means 1/3. So I am going to tell you B. The question is like this. Question number 3 is this: shade with pencil 1/3 or 1/3 each of the following. Okay, so there are 3 parts are given here. So 1/3 means beta, 1/3 means out of 3 parts you have to color 1 part. Okay, so I am going to color 1 part out of 3. So this is 1/3. Okay, so like this you can do question number 3. And in question number 4 what you will do: shade with a pencil 1/4 or 1 by 4 each of the following figures. 1 by 4 means out of 4 part you have to color 1 part. Okay, this is 1 by 4. And 2 by 3 means in question number 5 you have to color 2 by 3. 2 by 3 means out of 3 parts you have to color 2 parts. Okay. In question number 6, out of 4 parts you have to color 3 parts because there is given 3 by 4. Okay. So like this you can solve till question number 7. Okay students. Question number 8 you can also do because there is given fraction, you have to color that figure according to that fraction. Okay. Now I am going to tell you question number 9. What is question number 9? For each of the following figures, write the fraction shown by the shaded part. Write the fraction shown by the shaded parts. So I am going to tell you question number E of this. So this is figure and this part is colored. Okay students, so this is given the figure. So firstly you have to count how many parts are given here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, and how many color parts? So out of 6 parts, 2 parts are colored. So simply you have to write in numerator 2 and denominator total number of parts 6. 2 by 6. Okay. So like this in each and every figure you have to write only fractions. Colored part will be upside and total number of parts will be downside. Okay. The colored parts will be numerator and the total number of parts will be denominator. Okay. Now I am going to tell you question number 10. Question number 10 is this. For each of the following for each of the following write the fraction shown by the unshaded part, shown by the unshaded part, okay. So which question I am going to tell you? Question number 10e. Question number 10e I am going to tell you. According to that, you have to write each and everything. Okay, students. So this is the figure. तो बेटा आपको इसमें अनशेडेड पार्ट्स का फ्रैक्शन बताना है। ये क्वेश्चन थोड़ा अपोजिट है। आपको इसमें देखना है कि कितने अनशेडेड पार्ट्स हैं टोटल पार्ट्स में से। ओके, सो टोटल नंबर ऑफ पार्ट्स 1 2 3 4। सो टोटल नंबर ऑफ पार्ट्स इज 4 एंड यू हैव टू टेल अनशेडेड पार्ट्स। ध्यान दीजिएगा बेटा, इसमें आपको अनशेडेड वाला गिनना है कितना अनशेडेड है। सो 1 2 3, there are 3 unshaded parts, so unshaded part will be upside and total number of parts will be downside. Here is the fraction 3/4. So like this you have to write in question number 10. Okay, now I am going to tell you question number 11. Question number 11a, 11b I am going to tell you. 11b. There is given 1/5. 1/5 means 1/5. Okay. Question number 11f. 7 10. 7/10 means 7/10. 7/10. 7/10. So you have to write fractions like this in your book. Okay. Question number 12. Question number 12a I am going to tell you. A is already solved, so I am going to tell you B. 1/5. 1/5 means 1/5 you have to write. 1/5. So dear students, I hope you understand it well. Exercise 39 you have to fill in your book only. There is no need to solve this exercise in your copy. You have to fill in your book only. Okay, I hope you understand it well. Okay, thanks. Have a nice day.